The Great Auk, a large flightless bird of the North Atlantic, once thrived on the rocky shores of Canada, Greenland, and Iceland. A superb swimmer and diver, the Great Auk fed on fish and small marine animals, perfectly adapted to the cold, rough waters of the North Atlantic. With its powerful beak and excellent diving abilities, the Great Auk was a highly efficient predator in its marine environment. But in the 19th century, the bird was hunted relentlessly for its feathers, meat, and eggs, leading to its rapid decline. By 1844, the Great Auk was extinct, a victim of overhunting and human exploitation.